children, how are you? I hope you all are waiting for Story Auntie to listen a story today. Yes, Story Auntie is ready with the story. The name of the story is The Lazy Donkey. Once upon a time, there was a merchant who had a donkey, and he used to load the donkey with several heavy bags of salt to sell it in the market. While going to the market, there they used to cross a stream. The donkey used to be very, very irritated because of the heavy load put on his back by the merchant. One day, while they were going towards the market and was trying to cross the stream, the donkey's feet slipped and he fell down in the stream. And what happened, The salt in the heavy bags just melted when it touched the water stream. Hope you all know that salt dissolves in water. So when the salt came in touch with the water stream, the salt melted and the load was no more on donkey's back. The donkey was very surprised. Oh my God, what happened? The heavy load has gone. He was so happy and he happily returned back home. The next day, the merchant again loaded the donkey with heavy bags of salt. Now the donkey was knowing. So when he came near the stream, while crossing, he deliberately fell in the stream to loosen his load. But the merchant this time could understand that he has done this deliberately. He got very angry. He told, "You stupid donkey, you have done it on purpose. I will teach you a lesson." So what did the merchant do, The next day, the merchant loaded the donkey with bales of cotton. But the donkey was not knowing how it is going to work. He took the same trick. While he came near the stream, he again pretended to slip and fall down. However, this time the load did not wash away. Rather, the cotton absorbed all the water and the weight became doubled. And the donkey started praying, "Bah, bah, bah, tacho, tacho, tacho." He was just huffing because of the heavy load of cotton bales which absorbed so much of water. As the donkey staggered back home under the heavy weight, he said, "Alas, I should not have tried the same trick again and again." I think, children, now you know the moral of the story. Yes, the moral of the story is the same trick does not fool anybody again and again. So now you must be thinking how this moral of the story applies to our daily life. So dear children, it applies like your teacher has given some homework to you. And what did you do? When you came back from school, you went to play, then you came back, then you had some tiffin, and then you watched TV, then you played something, then you gossiped, had your dinner and slept. You missed out your homework. Next day when your teacher asks you, "Have you done your homework?" you say, "No, madam, I was not feeling well." The next day again you repeat this. But unfortunately, one day you really fell sick and you were really not able to do the homework. And the next day when you go to school and you say that you were really ill, your teacher thinks that it is a trick. and then she doesn't believe you and she gives you a good scolding and you feel bad about that. So dear children, you understand? If you play the same trick, it is going to be harsh on you. So you need to be very honest and hardworking and very true to yourself. That is the essence of life. That's all for today. Children, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.